na ng Stray Kids later and medyo umuulan-ulan dito sa amin kasi Stray Kids comeback is Thunderous! Yes! Oh my God! Hala! Oh my God! Guys, parang murag nahutdan akong oxygen atong gitanaw na ako ang teaser. Oh my God! And medyo dugan sa ko wala naka-stream, so let's stream now cause why not? What up guys, it's your girl Ashley back again with another new video. So, wag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa at mag-react na tayo. Dito na nag-post na si paring JYP. Okay, inhale, exhale. By the way guys, disclaimer, sa reaction video na to, magsasalita ako ng 3 lingwahe. 3, because I will speak Tagalog, English, and Bisaya. I will speak my mother tongue para feel good na ako ang reaction video. So, without further ado, let's begin! Okay, oh my God, play. Nice, ako sang full volume, no? Full volume na to. Go. Wow! Oh my God! Huh? Oh my God! Hala! Han! Jisung! Oh my God! Balik tayo, B. Yeah. Jisung! Oh my God! Yung mukha! Oh my God! Gwapo yun dyan! Wow! Wow, pa! Wow! Sungin! Oh. Christopher Bang? Oh my God! Timing sa akong post na titties! Oh my God! Ano yan? Hala! Oh my God! Oh my God! Kadali lang! Oh my God! Bakit wait lang, balik sa. Balik, go. Sungmin. Oh my God. Uy, that wave! Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay! Teaser, ano na buwan ko? Oh. 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 Ha, ha. Wow. Yung book. Kasut. Yung book, I love you so much. Balik sa ta. Sorry. Oh. Oh. Oh, sorry, I'm dirty. Wow. Wow. You say I'm not sorry, I'm not dirty. What? You're not sorry that you're dirty. What? Oh my God! Stop it! Yung book! I love you. Yun, Jin, my babe. Ang ganda doon na part. Oh my. Wow! What's up? What's up, yo? What's up? Yeah. Dali lang, ingay sa labas. French fries. Oh my God, Bangchan! Magsuot ka ng maayos na damit. Parang awa mo na! Palihog! You know, your titties are... Bangchan! Naka-crop top ka na nga. Wala ka bang pangloob. Ano ba? Sa magyud. Grabe. Sandali lang. Gipa-crop top yun yung si Felix. What? Ano na siya?
Nasa inner shirt, tapos si Bangchan wala.
Unfair. Dapat char. Anyways, let's continue. Oh my hand. Baby center. Uy, ang ganda ng part na yung paganon sila. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Balik. Taisa. Kachat lang. Yukbok. Hinara ka ba? Oh my God! Oh, IN. Yan, Chay! Cha! Wow! Boom! Para-pa-pa. Sorry. Dapat.
I'm not sorry, I'm very.
Hoy! Kadjut lang! Uman na! Balik sa. Oh, sorry. Oh my God! Felix, ikaw ang Yo, hi guys, I'm back. The question, buhi pa ba ko? Ano yung man? I'm sorry. Ano yun, man? I'm not sorry. I'm dirty. Groovy Stray Kids. Baka Artist of the Year yan. Song of the Year yan. Oh my God! Stays! Stream Stray Kids Thunderous for Clear Skin. My God. Oh my God. Kapit ilang beses ko itong rewind. Oh my God. Love it. I love them all. Oh my God. Parang ang sarap ng beat, ng kanta. Like, tsada yun kayo siya, guys. So, yun na nga. Sorry, guys. Tempura break muna. Pero, oh my God! Yung book, I love you. Si Lino, I love you. Loyal ako, loyal. Loyal ako. Char. Wow! For the span of kanina ko parang few minutes lang ha. Few minutes lang yung lumipas. But 30k plus na yung views. Kanina yung ni-refresh ko, 12 views pa siya yung pag-click ko ng yung pinanood ko. Ko siya, 12 views pa. We're gonna... Oh my god, the power. Stream Thunderous, guys, for 24 hours. Oh my god, yeah. Kaysa mapupan ko. Oh my god. Ito lang masasabi ko, Stray Kids never ever disappointed me. Oh my god, I love you. So, yeah. My god. So, yun nga, wala na akong masabi. Aside sa gwapo sila, aside sa ang galing nila, aside sa the best comeback again. Yun lang. Basta, stays, paulit-ulit to, wala akong pakialam. Stays dyan, around the world, stream Thunderous. And also listen to the other tracks, guys. I'm gonna listen it later on, maybe. I'm gonna edit this first. Oh my god. So, that is all for today's reaction video. I hope you like it. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga upcoming videos. That is all, guys. Bye!